If you recall, you set a budget on a daily basis with sponsored ads. If you are spending your entire budget, this will mean your ads are not showing all day and you will be missing out on traffic and customers. Amazon will tell you a recommended budget for each campaign. You should adjust your budget so that your ads show all day. If you do not have the funds to increase your budget, you should consider shifting your budget from lower to higher performing campaigns. If you are not spending your entire budget, you can adjust your bids for additional exposure. By putting up your bids, you will get more traffic. You also can consider advertising additional products. In order to optimize your campaigns, you should consider reducing your bids on high advertising cost of sale, low return on advertising spend keywords. Conversely, you can increase your bids on high performing keywords. After you have been running your campaigns for a while, via the search term report, you will be able to see which keywords are performing poorly and which are performing well. Use the search term report to filter for keywords with the highest advertising cost of sale and the lowest return on investment. You should either reduce the bids on these keywords or alternatively remove them entirely and add them as negative keywords so you do not advertise on these key phrases. By adding keywords to your sponsored ads campaigns, you will reach a wider audience. One way to research additional keywords is to run an automatically targeted campaign and a manual campaign targeted at the same products. The automatically targeted campaign can be used for keyword discovery. Once you have found successful keywords from your automatically targeted campaign, which you can see via the search term report, you can then add those to your manually targeted campaign so you have more control over bids. You should also add your keywords in multiple match types. For example, if you're running an automatic targeted campaign and a manually targeted campaign for the same products, you might find that the keyword iPhone case performs well on the automatic targeted campaign, but not the keyword iPhone protector. In which case, you would add iPhone case as a broad phrase and exact match on your manually targeted campaign. iPhone protector is a negative because you do not want to appear for that keyword. And both will be added as negatives on the automatic targeted campaign, so you no longer get traffic for those keywords on the automatically targeted campaign. So in this case, you have discovered from the automatic campaign which keywords perform well for your products, and you have added those to the manually targeted campaign where you have more control over bids. If your ad is not performing well in that it is receiving low impressions, there could be an issue with your keywords, your bids, or your budget. It could be that you do not have enough keywords and therefore your ads are not appearing for enough searches, in which case you need to add more keywords. Perhaps your bids are too low for the products and categories in which you're advertising, in which case you need to consider raising your bids. And it may be that your budget is not high enough, so you're running out of money quickly and your adverts are not being shown all day, in which case you need to consider raising your budget. If the click-through rate of your sponsored brands ad is low, i.e. your ad is receiving impressions but few clicks, it could be that shoppers are not responding to your ad creative. In this case, you need to experiment with changing different elements of your ad. You need to test different versions of the headline, test different versions of the call to action, test different selections of advertised ASINs, and also review the keywords which you use. It could be that the keywords you're using and your advert are out of sync. Finally, if your campaigns have low conversion, that is, they're receiving clicks but generating few sales, it may be that shoppers are having problems with what they see when they click through to the landing page. You should review the quality of the product detail pages of your products. It could be that these are not providing enough information for customers. Review the landing pages that you're using. It could be you need to have a different selection of products, or you could try linking to store pages instead of custom landing pages. Also, review the keywords that you're using. Are the keywords relevant to the products that the customers are seeing when they click through? Thanks for watching this video. For more content, please subscribe to our channel or check out our Amazon playlist. You can also see more hints and tips at our website, which is vendlab.com/blog.